Yo, welcome back. It's SuluXCar here, and welcome. And today we are back with a welcome. And now in today's video, we're gonna be finishing the bowling game. I mean the skin stapler game. I know it's just a demo, but hey, we're gonna finish this up, and then boom. I don't know, but hey, look what I got. I got a new chair, finally. But anyways, let's get into this video. I mean, we're already basically in the game, so let's just go. Alright, so what I can remember... Hold on, sorry. Alright. So what I can remember, that guy... let's go in. Let's see what we got. Bowling. Oh, Luke is over here asleep, huh?
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity. Lucas!
Dang, bro.
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
Bro, what is your cut?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping. I was just resting my eyes.
It'd be like that sometimes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
Wait, hold on. Let me nuke these cup of nudies. You know, we're not serious, man. Let's just go. Cup nudies, shrimp flavor. Okay. That is the bathroom. Where am I going? We're going the completely different way. Where am I supposed to go? I think I'm supposed to go in the back. 'Cause that's the entrance. So, yeah. Anyways, I had to beat this game twice. I mean, I have to play this game. I mean, I had to do the glizzy part again because I'm obviously
I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go.
Because the game didn't have any saves, so I just had to beat this game. Well, not beat the game, but you know what I mean. I had to do that again. How the freak did you get from that place to that place that quick? Why is everybody taller than me, bro? I know I'm a girl, but like, gosh.
Alright, Lucas, you can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
Well, I had to blur that out. We don't talk about the big G bleep OB. S.
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose?
Yeah, I guess.
After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Yeah, get out of here.
Ugh.
You freak.
Wow, Lucas.
Catch you later.
Get the freak out of my face, bro. Balls I'll be polishing is only balls I'll be polishing are mine. Like, come on, man. Are we serious? Let's investigate busted ball feeder. This is one of these. This is what a busted ball feeder is. Oh, these. Which one is busted? This one. I don't think this is fixing it, man. Blair, I don't know. Holy, I'm selling. Wow, then it magically starts working? It's weird.
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
I'm glad you weren't too, Blair. You really could have got hurt.
I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls.
Okay. How do I go behind here? Behind the desk. Okay. Son. No. No. No, I don't want to talk to your Joker wannabe looking
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this is, with an adorable little creature running it.
Say, bro. Get your big forehead out of my bowling.
Creature? Do you want to purchase a lane? Or am I gonna have to call the police?
Ooh, Blair, that was not tough.
I am here to purchase an experience.
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
Wow, that's cheap. Very
So
cheap.
direct. I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
Yeah, something that you need. Because your barber clearly messed you up.
Thanks. I think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
No.
You mean like my work uniform?
No, Blair. It's talking about... Never mind.
Sure, let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
Get out.
Ah, no need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6. Thank you.
Alright, bro. Get your shoes and get the... Get the bowling, bro. Bro, there's no reason to look at me. Stop looking at me, bro. Son.
Total creep.
Exactly. Total. I need to clean the dirty balls. Yes. I need to clean the dirty balls. Don't we all need to clean dirty balls? How do I do that? I need to stay behind. Well, yeah, of course. Don't I need, like... What do I need? I need dirty bowling ball. Oh, these? How many times I gotta do this? That's 1 out of 2, 3. Alright. Wait, does bowling, oh, I give up. Wait, do people actually do this to clean bowling balls? It's like a genuine question. Alright, last bowling ball.
Alright, time to clean the stinky shoes.
I think we use the spray.
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
Blair. Blair, what are we talking about? You like the smell of stinky shoes? Blair. Wait, he's not over there. He's not bowling anymore. That's kind of creepy. I know my noodles do not take that long. Bro, I'm actually scared,
That should do it.
Okay, what do we have to do now, huh? Blair, return to the register. And yeah, he's gone.
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling.
I know, right?
Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of noodies real fast.
Couple noodles. Blair. Couple noodles. Bless me.
I'll eat this back at the register.
Dang, why is she so ready to go? Oh, nah. I'm actually scared. Hold on. Ouch. Yo. Bro, get your freaky ass away from me, bro. All in the camera. Wait. Blair, no. Bro, I just got stabbed in the side. I know that hurt.
What happened?
My noodles.
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly. We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second. What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp? Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up. What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp. You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Blair is on a perk. Oh, crap.
Look who's awake. Who are you talking to?
Bro, you're even more ugly.
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp. I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations and paralysis, among other things.
It's crazy if you think about it. The other character died to piles of crap, which is crazy.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
What do you mean?
Why are you acting so dumbfounded that you're literally about to die? Oh no.
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I swim it from your body. I am afraid it's the end of the line for you.
Please, don't.
Oh no. Don't press the button. Don't press. Wait. Ain't nothing gonna happen. See, watch. Ain't no ball's gonna shoot out, bro. This is why I'm alive now. Watch. Yo. Oh no. Glizzy. Yo, what is... He skinned my whole body. He skinned my whole body? Wow. Well, look at the toes, man. What the heck? That's my leg meat. Yo. Wow. Wait, is that it? That's it? without further ado, that's the end of the video. The game was absolutely peak. But anyways, without further ado, I'll see you boys and girls later. Peace.